Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am here to share a project that I use some of the products, as you see here, from beebeecrafts.com, and I'll have their link down below so you can go check them out. So I am swapping some a stocking and a ornament with my friend Lydia. And Lydia, if you want to be surprised, look the other way or click off this video. Okay. But if you want to see it, please watch. Um, So we decided to do a stocking, and I will show my stocking at a later date, and an ornament. And I've been doing this swap with her for, oh my gosh, I think it's been 2 years now. I mean, we've been swapping off and on throughout the year and stuff like that. So I want to share my ornament. I used fabric from Joann's. Let me come down a little bit more here. Okay. This is a flat, or I don't know, what do you call this type of, what is that? Ornament, but it is not round, but it is flat. I use some paper shreds, red and brown, that goes with the paper. I covered the top here with some fabric. And I did a bow, and then this is a charm that I got from Beebeecrafts. Here's the jump ring, and then behind here I use the chain, so I can add my dangles, my little charm, and it just adds, and oh, I have another jump ring here and another jump ring there. It is really, really cute and festive. There's a little jingle bell here. So it's a very simple, but I love, I have to say, I really love these jump rings. They were easy to open and close, and it is on there. It's not falling out like some of the other jump rings I've had. The jump rings would not stay closed no matter how much I try. And they weren't as strong. See how, I mean, this thing, it won't go anywhere. It is really good quality jump rings. I am so glad I bought them. The chain, I used the silver chain. Here, it was easy to cut. I just used a little bit to add my dangle here. I really love this poinsettia charm. It just adds a little bit of something to my ornament. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll have the items linked down below, or I'll try to link the items down below in this video. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.